Dear students, welcome to problem solving session number 1 in the level 1 of our problem solving session in the chapter of thermodynamics. Now in this particular problem solving session we shall be dealing with the board level kind of problems, and we shall be dealing with each problem in a detailed manner so as to understand how to move on with problems related to thermodynamics, because thermodynamics in itself is a huge and a vast chapter. So now moving along with the problems of today's session, the first problem of our session will be this, that we have to calculate the delta H for the reaction if our equations are as follows. For example, we have carbon dioxide plus hydrogen giving us carbon monoxide plus water, and the heat of the formations are already mentioned out here, and those are minus 393.5 kilojoule per mole, minus 111.3 kilojoule per mole, and also minus 241.8 kilojoule per mole. So now if you have to calculate the delta H for the reaction, we have to move in such a fashion that first we write down the equation again. So the equation is carbon dioxide gas plus hydrogen, which is also a gaseous entity. It is giving me carbon monoxide gaseous plus I am getting steam or water vapor as a gas. Now to calculate the delta H for the reaction, we all know that delta H for the reaction is equal to delta H of products, heat of formation of products, minus the heat of the formation or the delta HF for the reactants. Now what are the difference? The difference is, let us find out what is minus 111.3, that is the carbon monoxide that is being formed, and also we have to add up minus 241, which is the heat of the formation of water vapor, and we will subtract this from that of the heat of formation of carbon dioxide, because the hydrogen in its gaseous state or in its elementary state will be regarded as 0. Therefore I can see that this is equal to minus 111.3 plus minus 241.8 minus of minus 393.5 plus symbolically I will write it as 0. So that is for the hydrogen that is out there. So what is the difference? We get the difference which is equal to minus 353.1 plus we get 393.5. so the total comes that delta H0 is equal to plus 40.4 kilojoule. So one thing has to be mentioned out here, that enthalpy of every element in the standard state is assumed to be 0. So hence I am taking the enthalpy of hydrogen to be equal to 0. So ultimately what do I get? I get that delta H0 is equal to plus 40.4 kilojoule. Hence I can see the reaction is a endothermic reaction. So I hope you have understood this particular problem. First we have to write down the equation, then we have to remember that the delta H0 is equal to the H of products minus the heat of formation of the reactants or H of the reactants, and just by subtracting the above values we will get the value of delta H 0. So this was the first problem of our session today. Now we move along with the next problem, and